Namaste, hello, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're safe and I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna be painting a very easy watercolor doodle. So yeah, let's get started. I'm using my doodle pad here and I'm starting with the moon. Here I'm using this tool because I was feeling lazy to draw freehand. But anyway, you can draw freehand or use a compass or whatever suits you as long as you're enjoying it. I'll lighten the pencil marks because I can't really erase them after I've painted over it. I should have used the normal lighter pencil instead of this mechanical pencil. So anyway, next I will paint the background. You can use any blue that you want. I'm using Prussian blue because I want the clouds to be a bit darker so the moon and the stars can stand out. Now because I'm not using the watercolor papers as I said earlier, I need to wet and re-wet the surface of this paper as it dries quickly. Even the paint will start drying at a different speed, so the color will look kind of uneven. It's called the watercolor bloom or cauliflower effect, if you know about it. But that's okay. I think for this doodle, the effect will in fact add some texture. You can also see I'm painting the background in two parts. That too is because of the quick drying paper. So I will paint the top part first and then move to the lower part of the background, clouds. I'll also paint this little part here in the center. Once the paint is completely dry, which in my case will be faster, I'll then paint the moon. I'm using a Uniball Signo gold gel pen. I've been doing quite a lot of dots and dashes doodles around moon and mountains lately. You can also check out some of those on my channel. From the time I've got this gold gel pen, I am painting my moon golden, and I even like it, which is unusual for me as I like silver better than golden even in general. About using the gold gel pen, I think it's better to use it in one direction and also try to avoid retouching the surface. The ink is pretty thick, so redoing it will create a kind of dent, as you can see in the top portion of the moon here. The ink is still not dry and I repeated some strokes, which now makes it look this way. But that's okay, it's fine, it's okay. I'll add some shiny stars to the background so it doesn't look empty. I'm making them the stars in different shapes and sizes here and just randomly placing them around the moon. Like that. I will add these dotted lines connecting the stars just to make them look like constellations, some kind of group of stars, and also because I think it will look nice. Yeah. Lastly, I am adding the quote which inspired me to doodle this in the first place. Now, hand lettering isn't something I'm good at, so I will just write it in a very simple way here. If you are really good at hand lettering, you can write the quote beautifully in your own way. And that's it. This completes my doodle here. If you are still watching, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.